up here, no one can judge me by what I look like. I'm gonna bring my ears and tail back out because, well, it's not like I'm going back down there anytime soon. There we go. Now my ears and tail are back out. Now I'm finally free to be who I am. Well, sort of anyways. Most of the people down there are Mayflower. And then there's me. And I'm a werewolf. I don't fit in. There's a reason why I'm the alpha. I'm the female at the school. It's because there's no one else to challenge me for it. Well, maybe there are new kids. It's a new school day after all. It's only the second day. Some people don't get back from holidays till like their fifth. Maybe I could get lucky and get in front of someone to. But at the same time, I very much doubt it. So I'm gonna go into school now. Trying to make a new friend. I truthfully very much doubt that I will. But it's worth a try, I guess. Those were kind of weird. I'm gonna go try to find another werewolf. I'm sorry. Maybe I'll make a friend. Vicky? She has the same name as me. Maybe. Just very much me. Everyone disappeared. Well, I'm gonna go try to find my next class. Oh, that guy just disappeared. Finally, I made it to swimming. Whoa. Hey, he has a tail. Oh. He laughed. Maybe he's ashamed of his tail and ears too. Oh, I'm just glad I'm a really good swimmer. Because my tail basically helps as another leg. I'm not the same person I used to be. Lost my cloud to get out of home. It's laying on me, baby. I'm going for sure. I'm just gonna leave. I just wanna go back home. I basically live on campus. So does everyone else here? I'm just gonna sit down, relax, like a man. No, I don't wanna go to a nightclub. I'm just gonna sit down. And I am randomly dancing? How did this even happen? Looks like maybe someone made me happy. I'm gonna smile on my face and I'm dancing like I just do not care. Which I do very much care. Not want to be here. So I'm gonna go see if there's a house I can walk into. And sleep in. I don't like it here. So, yeah,